Want an example of a rainy winter? This is normally a creek right now. So since riding is out, let me just introduce my new wheel. The 1999.5 grams include a 2.3 Maxxis Aggressor, sealant, rim tape, and a valve stem. The build is a 27.5 Spank Oozy 350 trail in 32 spokes with brass spoke nipples, and the inside width of the rim is 30.5 millimeters. The Project 321 hub has 216 points of engagement for 1.66 degrees between each engagement point. The spokes are DT Swiss competition, double butted, 2.0 and 1.8. The original Bontrager Duster Elite wheel weighed 1956.8 grams. That weight included a fairly wore-out Maxxis DHR2, rim tape, and a valve stem. The original wheel only had 28 spokes and a more narrow rim width. I have no idea on the spoke diameter, but assume they were straight 2.0 millimeter. I also don't know the spoke nipple material on the old wheel. On the new wheel, I accidentally added about an ounce too much sealant, so 5 ounces instead of my usual 4. That amount will add about 30 grams. What this means in the end is that I got a wider and stiffer rim, more spokes, a better hub, and only came in at about 13 gram increase in total weight. I'll call that a win.
So when it's pouring down rain outside, what do you do when you can't ride? Do you upgrade your bike, or maybe tackle a bike build project you've been meaning to do, or even some organization? If all else fails, you've always got laundry. Let me know in the comments how you deal with less than ideal weather. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Remember to click the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and as always, get out and thrash it every chance you get.